Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Chroma Key on CapCut. So guys, at first you need to import your background photo or video and then tap on overlay, tap on add overlay. Now select your green screen video, tap on add. Now adjust the video to fit the entire screen. And guys, make sure that your background photo should match the length of your green screen video. Now select your green screen video. Now go to cutout. Tap on Chroma Key. Now drag it to the green screen part of the video. Tap on intensity. Make the intensity to 10. Now tap on shadow and make the shadow to 30. Now go back and play the video. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.